Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the default message timer on WhatsApp. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the WhatsApp application. Once inside, you'll see the main screen with your chats menu. Step 2. Now look at the top right of your screen where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on them. Step 3. Next, locate the Settings option and tap on it. Step 4. Now, locate the Privacy option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, locate the Default Message Timer option and tap on it. Step 6. For the last and most important step, under Start New Chats with a Disappearing Message Timer Set To, view the 4 options. The first option is 24 hours, followed by 7 days, 90 days, and off. Select the option you like to set the default message timer instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.